And now it's time for our jewelry preview. This is a beautiful little sea turtle with a sunset skin. If I can get it just a smidge closer. And the starting bid on this piece is $7. Necklace number 2. Lots of pretty colors in this one. I believe this was a skin from a rainbow painting. Starting bid on this one is $5. I can pick it up a little closer. And that is number 2. Number 3 is done with blues, a little bit of purple in there. These all have the Stone Coat resin coating on them. These were not glass cabs. This is necklace number 3. Starting bid, $5. Necklace number 4. Another rainbow type pendant. Starting bid on this beauty is $5. Pendant number 4. And yes, the chains are included with these. Necklace number 5. Some gorgeous skin on this one. A beautiful copper metallic. I'll let you look at for a minute. And these are all 18-inch chains. But this is a beautiful skin, also with the resin coating. That was pendant number 5. Pendant number 6. Lots of pretty fall colors in this one. Starting bid on this one is $5. And it also has the resin. Pendant number 6. Necklace number 7 is our black and white. Of course, we have some silver in this one as well. So we have a little sparkle. Also has an 18-inch chain. Starting bid is $5. And that is number 7. Number 8. Got some pretty plummy colors in this one with pink. Starting bid on this one is $5. And that is necklace number 8. Number 9. 2 of my favorite colors together, turquoise and yellow green. It's a very pretty pendant. Summer's coming, guys. Starting bid on this one, it is resin coated with a chain, is $5. And our last pendant is number 10. I love this one. Kind of looks like a snow scene. Some ice. It's very pretty. That is number 10 with a resin coating. Starting bid on this one is $5, and this is number 10. Next, we'll be featuring our coasters.